Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can add Google search as a search engine to the Midori web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, open up the Midori web browser and let me show you in the browser settings first that Google is actually not available as a default search engine, but there's still a way how you can add it to your search engine. So here inside your Midori web browser's settings, navigate to search. And here under default search engine, you may select one of the available search engines from the drop-down menu. And as you can see, guys, Google search is not amongst these. So if I scroll further down to the search shortcuts, you won't see any Google search engine either here. So how can you do this, guys? There's one way. So what you want to do is click into find more search engines here. And that is going to redirect you to the add-on and extension center Firefox browser, because Midori Browser is basically run by the same, or is built or is using the same user interface and as Firefox. So you can install add-ons and extensions from the Firefox add-on center. What you want to do is click into extensions here, and here use the search bar and type in Google search. Excuse the typos. I'm typing with one hand. So what you want to do is click into Google search, and after that you will see the search results here. Click into Google search and add it to your Firefox browser. In this case here it's Midori, so add it, give it Midori will ask you for the permission or for consent to add Google search to your context menu. Click into OK here, and now guys, once that's done, Google search will be added to your extensions running in the background. So what you want to do is, let me navigate to an example page here, is for example, if you highlight a word here on the website, let me go with, I don't know, Google for example, and access the context menu by right clicking into it, you will see these options here, search with Google, which is basically now giving you the opportunity to use Google search as a search engine for these highlighted words. And that's how you can still use Google search as a search engine on Midori, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.